Hi, I'm Matilda and I'm a certified clinical aromatherapist. I'm also a trainer for internationally accredited aromatherapy courses. So if you would like to pursue aromatherapy professionally or would like to deepen your knowledge in this area, do check out my link in the description down below to find out more about the courses that I teach. This channel is set up to empower women in health and wealth. So if you like the topics that I'm sharing, do subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified of all future videos. Today, I'm going to share with you what are some of my favorite oils for coughs, colds, and sore throat, as well as the gentler options for young kids that are safe enough yet effective. If you like this video that you're watching, I would appreciate it greatly if you could smash the like button and share it with your friends. Do watch to the end of the video as I'm going to share with you the ultimate chest rub recipe. One of the essential oils that I would recommend is lemon. Lemon is the most gentle essential oil, yet with one of the most uses that even babies can use. As lemon is very cleansing and purifying, it can help disinfect and purify the air from germs when diffused. It is also great for dissolving phlegm. You can apply on the chest and on the upper back as well as on the bottoms of the feet for supporting the respiratory system. Diffusing it close to you or inhaling lemon essential oil will be great for the respiratory system as well as to strengthen our immunity too. However, do note that lemon is a citrus oil and is photosensitive, so do not expose to sunlight after application. And if you haven't watched my video on lemon essential oil, do check it out to find out about its other uses too. Besides lemon essential oil, frankincense has traditionally been valued for its effect on the immunity system and has anti-catarrhal, anti-infectious, anti-inflammatory, and expectorant properties. All these properties make frankincense a suitable remedy for coughs, mucus, and phlegm, as well as respiratory complaints such as bronchitis and asthma. For more uses and benefits of frankincense, do check out my video on frankincense essential oil as well after you have finished watching this video. As lavender contains antihistamine properties and is also anti-infectious, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antiseptic, it is very helpful for coughs, colds, and flus due to allergies. Also, as lavender is analgesic, relaxing, and sedating, it may help to soothe chest discomforts due to coughing too hard. For more uses and benefits of lavender, do check out my video on lavender essential oil after you finish watching this video as well. Myrtle is a decongestant of the respiratory system and works as an expectorant in discharging mucus. It is an antiseptic, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and a decongestant. It is also gentle enough for children to use. Many of us use eucalyptus oil without realizing it, as many vapor or chest rubs marketed to soothe coughs often contain eucalyptus oil, or they may include the oil's key compound called eucalyptol or 1,8-cineole. A study published in PubMed shows the beneficial use of 1,8-cineole for inflammatory airway diseases due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidative properties. Another study done in 2012 shows that cineole is mainly used as a mucolytic agent in inflammatory airway diseases and helps improve lung function as well as reduce dyspnea in asthma patients. While there are many different species of eucalyptus, I'd recommend Eucalyptus globulus or Eucalyptus radiata for the highest amount of eucalyptol. For young kids and adults who are allergic to eucalyptol, I'd recommend Eucalyptus blue, which is the most gentle eucalyptus among all the eucalyptus that does not cause allergic reactions to eucalyptol. Even without eucalyptol, Eucalyptus blue supports the respiratory function with its anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties as well. For more uses and benefits of eucalyptus, do check out my video on eucalyptus essential oil after you have finished watching this video as well. Like eucalyptus, rosemary contains the compound cineole. Cineole has mucolytic, bronchodilating, and anti-inflammatory properties. In a study done in 2013, it shows that the effects of cineole in the treatment of acute bronchitis were clearly measurable and could be proven after a treatment period of merely 4 days. However, please note that rosemary may elevate blood pressure, hence for those of you who suffer from high blood pressure, you may want to avoid rosemary or use it sparingly. For more uses and benefits of rosemary, do check out my video on rosemary essential oil as well. As menthol is an extract of peppermint, most natural care products for respiratory conditions often contain peppermint oil. When inhaled, peppermint helps open up our respiratory passageway and help to relax the muscles of the windpipe, known as the bronchial muscles. Hence, peppermint oil is very helpful for blocked nose and can ease breathing in people with coughs. When ingested, peppermint oil creates a cooling sensation that can soothe or numb a scratchy throat. Do note that you should ingest only peppermint oil certified for oral use. Using peppermint essential oil may not be advisable in children younger than 30 months old. For more uses and benefits of peppermint, do check out my video on peppermint essential oil after you have finished watching this video. Tea tree oil can inhibit the growth of bad bacteria that causes sinus infections and respiratory issues. Traditionally, the Australian Aborigines treat coughs and colds by crushing crushing tea tree leaves and inhaling tea tree oil may also help to ease the effects of a cough. For more uses and benefits of tea tree, do check out my video on tea tree essential oil after you have finished watching this video as well. Copaiba is my go-to oil when I have a sore throat. It is a powerful anti-inflammatory and has analgesic properties as well. It works amazingly well for throat discomforts. I'd either ingest Copaiba sublingually under my tongue or add 1 to 2 drops of Copaiba to a teaspoon of raw honey and take it as a throat drop. Adding another drop of peppermint and lemon essential oil to the teaspoon of raw honey will enhance the effect even more as well. However, do remember to ingest only therapeutic grade essential oils certified for oral use. For more uses and benefits of Copaiba, do check out my video on Copaiba essential oil as well. Myrrh is a very powerful anti-inflammatory agent like Copaiba, but it is a very thick and sticky oil and is also great for expelling phlegm. If lemon is not strong enough for your phlegmy cough, you may wish to give myrrh a try. There was once I had a really bad cough for a couple of weeks, and eventually when I applied some myrrh to my chest and upper back area, within 15 minutes, I coughed out a huge ball of phlegm the size of a golf ball. And after that, my cough just went away. Cypress is anti-infectious, mucolytic, antiseptic, and a lymphatic decongestant. It may help in promoting lung circulation and helps relieve other respiratory problems as well. Pine may help dilate and open the respiratory system, particularly the bronchial tract. It may also help improve circulation throughout the lungs. Oregano essential oil contains a high level of a potent compound called cavacro. Cavacro is a helpful antimicrobial agent that can fight off many types of germs. Oregano contains antibacterial, antiseptic, antiviral, antispasmodic properties and is also an immune stimulant. Oregano could therefore help to treat viral or bacterial causes of a cough. Do note that oregano is a hot oil, hence always dilute with a carrier oil before using it topically. Thyme essential oil is from the same family as oregano and also contains high levels of cavacro as well. It is highly antibacterial, antiviral, and antiseptic as well, and may be helpful in eliminating or protecting against viruses and bacteria. A study done in 2018 shows that thyme exhibits potential therapeutic uses for the respiratory, nervous, and cardiovascular systems. Thyme is also a hot oil, hence always dilute with a carrier oil before using it topically. While cinnamon may not be the first oil you think of when it comes to respiratory complaints, cinnamon is beneficial for colds, coughs, flu, and helps fight viral and infectious diseases as it is highly antibacterial, anti-infectious, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antiseptic, and antiviral. It is also immune stimulating. Adding a few drops of cinnamon essential oil to a diffuser or including the oil in a topical blend may provide relief from a cough. Please note that cinnamon is also a hot oil, hence always dilute with a carrier oil before using it topically. So thank you for watching this video to the end and for all your support. Here's a chest rub that I created for you to relieve respiratory discomforts. Take an empty 30 ml glass container, heat 20 ml of organic coconut oil over a small fire or in a water bath until it melts. Then pour it into the empty glass container and add all the essential oils and mix it well. 20 drops each of lemon, lavender, myrtle, and eucalyptus. And if you're creating this rub for kids, I would recommend that you use eucalyptus blue. Add another 10 drops of peppermint, either cypress or pine, frankincense, and copaiba. And if you're creating this chest rub for kids under 30 months old, you may wish to replace peppermint with tea tree. Add all the essential oils and mix well, then cool it before storing it in the refrigerator or in a dark and cool cupboard so that it hardens into a rub. If you like what I have just shared, do smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified of all future videos. That's all I have to share today. I really appreciate you being here today, so if you like what I have just shared, do smash the like button and share it with your friends. Have a good day and a great week ahead, and don't forget to check out my other videos.